Every breath must be purchased in blood and flesh. The weak are swiftly crushed beneath the talons of fate. Only the most ruthless possess the strength to walk through death itself. And seize dominion at the very summit of the food chain. Dawn breaks across the East African savanna. The first rays of light pierce the horizon, painting the grasslands in a blaze of amber that stretches as far as the eye can see. Morning dew still clings to every blade of grass. But beneath the knee-high grass, where the warmth of dawn has not yet reached, the shape lies pressed flat against the ground, utterly motionless. A lioness, her amber eyes unblinking, locked onto a single point ahead. Less than 330 feet away, a herd of Cape buffalo over 400 strong moves, like a living wall of steel across the grassland. Red dust billows behind every footfall. The sound of hooves striking the earth rolls like war drums across the plain. The African Cape buffalo is no easy quarry. Each one weighs nearly 1,800 pounds. Their horns fuse together atop the skull into a solid shield of bone, so dense that even a rifle round struggles to penetrate it. The local people call them the Black Death, the animal that has killed more hunters in Africa than any other. But the pride must eat. And on the savannah, hunger does not permit cowardice to exist. The lionesses slip from the scrub and fan out in a line, in absolute silence. They move low to the ground, bellies nearly brushing the grass, each paw placed down as though it carries no weight at all. This is not blind instinct, this is strategy. An old bull, standing at the edge of the herd, raises his head. His nostrils flare. He has caught the scent of death. A bellow erupts. The herd closes ranks. Cows are driven to the center. The largest bulls wheel outward horns leveled at the enemy. A defensive formation materializes in under 3 seconds. The lionesses attack. One lioness leaps onto the back of a buffalo that is broken from the herd, her claws sinking deep into the thick hide. The buffalo bucks violently, spinning, trying desperately to throw the attacker from its back. But Cape buffalo never abandon their own. The strongest bulls wheel around, horns lowered, and charge directly at the lioness. The first blow launches her into the air. She hits the ground, rolls twice, then staggers away. The attack has failed. The pride retreats, licking their wounds, eyes still tracking the herd as it recedes into the distance. On the savannah, victory never belongs to one side forever.